Hello everybody, if you'd like your photos to look professional in seconds, in today's video we are going to use Google's Nano Banana for that. So you can use that in order to enhance your image fast, perfect lighting, sharp details, and vibrant colors. So open up the Google Gemini. For that, head over to gemini.google on your browser, or you can even visit the app if you prefer. Now, what you can do is you can upload your product photo that you would like to go ahead and enhance, or let's say, to go ahead and use enhancement for that. So you can just go ahead and upload your product photo. Look out for this plus icon, add files. Click on upload files. From there, go ahead and upload a particular file and click on open. And wait for the image to be uploaded completely in the section. Once it is uploaded, you can just go ahead and type in the prompt describing what enhancement you would want. For example, enhancing the product photo with brighter colors and sharper details. So you can just go ahead and provide this kind of prompts, or you can add in prompts like make the background clean white, highlight the product, etc. and hit enter. And then once you do so, in just a few seconds, the Nano Banana will adjust the lighting, the sharpness, and colors to make your product pop without any complicated editing tools. And if it is not perfect, you can even refine it. You can wait for some seconds for the product to be available on your screen. And there we go. We got the result here. So you can look out for enhancement and look out if this worked for you. Like, look out if this enhancement worked for you. You can look out and compare your previous images and the images after the result. And if it is okay, that is it. That is how you make professional looking photos in seconds with Nano Banana inside Gemini. So hit like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.